I'm going to go over a few examples of solving equations using vertical angles. So a quick description for the vocabulary. Vertical angles are angles that make this X shape, and they're directly across from each other. And what we know about vertical angles is that they are equal to each other. That's what those arc marks mean. They are the same. So what we can do is we can actually just use that to write our equation by making them equal to each other. So I took the 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7, I put it right here, equaled it to 8x minus 17, put it right there. And now all we need to do is solve that equation. So we can subtract the 6x on both sides, bring down the 7, that should be a 2x minus 17. Add the 17 on both sides to undo that. So that would be 24 equals 2x. And the last thing we do is divide by 2. And we should get 12 equals x. So again, the most important thing here is that when you have vertical angles, angles that are across from each other in this X shape, they're equal to each other. So you just write the equation by setting them equal to each other. All right. Now in the second one, we had to figure out how to actually set up our equation on our own. So it says U and W are vertical angles, all right? And it gives us the measure for angle U. Angle U is 6x plus 11, and angle W is 10x minus 9. Again, if we know that they're vertical angles, we don't even need a picture. We know that they should be equal to each other. Vertical angles are equal to each other. So we write our equation by making them equal to each other. And then we just solve that equation exactly like we know how to. Subtract the 6x on both sides. I always move the smaller number first. Bring down everything else. Add the 9 to both sides, and we should get 20 equals 4x, and then divide by 4. And we have 5 equals x. Then we double check what is the question asking, make sure we answered it. The question is actually asking us to find the measure of angle U. So that means I would want to go back in and I would want to actually plug in the 5 to angle U, which is this one right here. So I would do 6 times 5 plus 11. That's 30 plus 11, which would be 41 degrees. And that is your final answer for this question.